All right, man. So what's good? What's good with y'all, man? What's good? Check this out. I wanted to start for the year 2025. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. I wanted to start a 10K challenge. A 10K challenge. And if you surpass 10K, then that's great. That means you going crazy. That means you went crazy this year, especially if you just get into this game. So what am I talking about? 10K challenge. 10K challenge. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right. So this is one of my investment accounts that I started on December 3rd. I started this account on December 3rd with $500. December 3rd, $500 I started this account with. So when I talk about a 10K challenge, I'm going to monitor this account on this YouTube channel. I might do like a weekly update video, maybe, and keep y'all on the loop of the progress. And then you can jump in the comments and you can tell me about your progress, tell me what things you're investing in, ask me about what things I'm investing in, how many shares I've gotten up to, how am I balancing the portfolio, if and when I'm selling anything, if and when I'm adding anything. Just hop in the comments, man. That's what this gonna be for. Community based, the 10K challenge, man. I'm taking y'all on the journey of me building this account up to 10K and beyond. But right now, it's the 10K challenge. We're going to build this account up to 10K, see how long it takes us going into the year 2025. Again, this account is just a day over a month old. Started with $500. We almost touching 2,000. We almost touching 2,000. And I'll let you know, I just started this account, and year to date, we're already up 3.89%. Make sure I ain't telling you no wrong. Yeah, year to date, we up 3.89%. Um, I'll show you some of the positions so far. You know, I got some cash in there. Um, Google, got some Google, some Nvidia, and some SEHD. So far, that's all I've put in this account. I'm gonna be adding a lot. I'm gonna be adding a few more stocks into here, and as we go on, you'll get to see in real time kind of what I'm adding, if I'm selling, what my allocations are looking like, and we're gonna build this up. We're gonna build this up, and I encourage you to join the 10K challenge. Join the 10K challenge. We're gonna run it up this year, man. We all about showing receipts over here at Over the Counter, man. We all about showing receipts. I showed you guys my portfolio, a different portfolio that I have when I bought 20 shares of AMD when they were at their 52-week low. We're gonna show y'all receipts over here. We want to be transparent. It's not just about flexing. I got this many shares, this, and that. It's about being transparent. It's about really helping people and showing people that this investing game is not impossible. It doesn't take a ridiculous amount of money. It doesn't take a whole lot. If you don't have $500 to start, don't worry about that. Start your investment. You can start this journey with $100. Start this journey with $200. It don't matter. Just get started. Just get started, and hopefully, this series of me tracking this account on the road to 10K will build up a community. People in the comments that are also wanting to join in and join this 10K challenge. And yeah, share this, man. Share this, man. Like, subscribe, share this, man. We're finna get this 10K challenge jumping. We're finna get this 10K challenge jumping. Again, this account is a little over a month old. I started it with 500. I just showed you all that it's invested in currently as of the recording of this video on December 4th. Google, Nvidia, SEHD. That's it. That's it. That's it. So make sure y'all tap in with your boy. I'll be back here in a week, and we're gonna keep following this investment account, man. See you on the next one.